What if I told you that glowing, glass-like skin doesn't require expensive products or a complicated routine? What if everything you need is already sitting in your kitchen right now? Before we dive in, quick reality check. Are you applying skincare on a clean face? Because if not, you're already ruining your results. Always start with freshly washed skin so these remedies can actually work. Let's start simple, but powerful. The cucumber mask. While rice gets all the attention, cucumber has been a skincare staple in Korea for decades. When your skin is irritated or stressed, this is one of the fastest ways to calm it down. Take half a cucumber, wash it, then slice it thinly or grate it. Apply a light layer of aloe gel so it sticks, then place the cucumber slices on your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and just relax. Cucumbers are loaded with water and vitamins, making them perfect for hydration and reducing redness. When you're done, remove them and go back to your normal skincare routine. Simple, but it works. Now let's level up the rice mask. This isn't just some trend. It goes back centuries. Women in ancient Korea used rice water and paste to brighten and soften their skin. To make it, take half a cup of rice, rinse it thoroughly 3 to 4 times, then cook it with 1 cup of water until it becomes soft and slightly mushy. Let it cool, then blend it with 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply it to your face for 10 to 15 minutes only. Leave it on too long, and it can actually dry your skin out. Rinse gently with lukewarm water, and always follow up with moisturizer. Here's where most people mess up, using face masks too often. More is not better. Stick to once or twice a week, and always make a fresh batch instead of storing leftovers. Next, yogurt and almond mask. Think of this as a gentle exfoliator that also helps fight bacteria. Mix half a cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of almond powder, and 1.5 tablespoons of aloe gel. This combination smooths your skin while helping prevent breakouts. Now let's talk about toners, because this is where things get interesting. First, rice toner. Simply rinse rice thoroughly, then soak it in water for about 30 minutes. Strain the water, and that's your toner. You can use it to rinse your face or apply it like a regular toner. If you want to take it further, leave the rice water at room temperature for 24 hours to let it ferment. This increases nutrients. But be warned, the smell isn't for everyone. Another powerful option is green tea toner. Brew a cup of green tea for 5 to 10 minutes. Let it cool and pour it into a bottle. You can add a bit of aloe gel for extra soothing. It's rich in antioxidants and great for acne-prone or sensitive skin. But here's something critical. DIY toners don't contain preservatives. That means you must store them in the fridge and use them within 5 days. No exceptions. You might be wondering, will this work for your skin type? In most cases, yes, but allergies are real. Always do a patch test. Apply a small amount on your forearm, wait 1 to 2 hours, and check for any reaction before using it on your face. So here's the real question. Are you going to keep spending money on products? Or finally try what actually works? If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe and don't miss the next video.